Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just want to take a few minutes to thank everyone who has supported my shows. We have over 10,000 subscribers. We've had almost 3.5 million views and lots of comments this year. I appreciate the comments. I'm no expert, so the whole idea of my show is to share information. And you guys out there on a specific item, you know a lot more than I do. And I like to get that information to the other people that are watching my show. So thank everybody for leaving comments. Thank everybody that has sent me something either to keep, to review, a loan, a return. I want to thank all those people. Thank all my sponsors that have sent me stuff, radios, test equipment to review on my show. It really worked out great. Speaking of sponsors, if you go to all my shows have a link to my Amazon store. Now, Amazon, when I was just above 1,000 shows, they decided they were going to change that whole mechanism, and I had to set up a new storefront. So I haven't gone back and changed the link on those 1,000 shows. I changed it on the most popular shows. So there will be some old links to to a store that doesn't exist. But anyway, shows above about about 1,000 and up have the new link. And here's where it takes you right here. It'll look a little different for you. You won't have this stuff because this is, my login. But here's a listing of all these things. I reviewed probably 90% of these. I would say 75% were sent to me by sellers on Amazon. And so you can pick an item and do a search on my shows and find a review of it. And the way it works is you go to one of my videos, and down in the description is this link to my store. You come to here, you pick an item, and then it takes you to the page on Amazon. And so you're working totally with Amazon. You pay Amazon. If you have to return it, you return it to Amazon. I don't have any stock or anything. This is just an Amazon store. And once you pick something, let's just pick this right here, for instance. Once you pick something, you go to the store. And you can see I purchased this already to do a review. And then now you are on Amazon. And Amazon knows that you went through my link. So you can go and search for birdseed. Okay, I'm going to do a birdseed search here. As long as you don't leave, and then you can buy some birdseed, I get a small commission for it. And I use that small commission. The total commission is used to purchase things to review on my show. So that's kind of how I keep my show going. I don't ask for donations, anything like that. I just let you go to Amazon, purchase something that you wanted to purchase in the first place. There's no extra charge. You're dealing with Amazon. It works out perfect for me. And I get a small commission in the form of a credit. I don't get any money. I get a credit. And I use those credits to buy things to review my show. So thanks to everybody that's taken the time to do this and supporting my show. I appreciate that. I just checked a few minutes ago, and I think I had like 25 items that have been sold, some of which are things that I reviewed on my show, like the review of the 3 shows ago of the AM, FM, MP3 player. I think I've sold 7 of those this year, or this month. So this is working out good. I'm so thankful for your support, and I babbled enough, so I'm going to call it quits. Have a great Thanksgiving. Have a great weekend. And I got a brand new radio coming. Let me see if I could possibly, I probably can't find it right away, but I got a new radio coming. I just ordered it yesterday. It should be here probably tomorrow. So I'll try to check it out, see if it's any good, and then do a show on it. So that's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great holiday. Bye-bye.